Yes, in this video, guys, we will be looking at exterior angle of a cyclic quad. So we are going to work with the activities. In our previous video, I did show you how you can work out the proof, right? Yes, I did show you how to work out the proof. So in this video, guys, we will be looking at calculating the values of the unknown angles, right? We will not rush. We will not rush. We will just take our time. Well, guys, always look for an exterior angle. Remember, the exterior angle is equals to the interior opposite angle of a cyclic quad. That's what our theorem states in our previous video. Right, guys? If you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. You only subscribe once. Like and comment. We really appreciate your likes, your comment, guys. That really grows our channel, the Innovative Minds Tutor. Well, without wasting time, let's get to today's video. So we'll start with the first question. What we can see from the first question, we are required to calculate two missing values, right? Which is x and y. We could see that this x is an exterior angle and is equals to this interior opposite angle, which is 88 in this case. So when you write here, your statement should be x is equals to 88 degrees. So the reason will be exterior angle of cyclic quad. Exterior angle of a cyclic quad. So that's how it should be. So in other words, it means that we also have 88 here as our exterior angle. Are we done? Nah, we are not done. We are not done. So what's next? Next part is to find the value of y. How do we find the value of y? We can see that as well as 105 is equals to this angle at D, which is y. So the missing value there will be, in other words, guys, y will be y is equals to 105 degrees. Y is equals to 105 degrees. Then take it, we are not in a rush. Exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Exterior angle of a cyclic quad as well. So remember, in geometry, guys, it's very essential that whenever you give a statement, it must be backed up with a reason. It is very vital. You need to know that, guys, that whenever you give a statement, always back up with a what? With a reason, so that you do well, right? Let's move to the second question. Let's move to the second question. Well, for the second question, guys, we are given a cyclic quad, which is ABCD. So there's a missing value there, which is y. Our aim is to find y. But before we find y, we can see that we can see that B1. Can you see that B1 and also have C1 here? Also have C1. It's supposed to be here, right? Well, we also have C1 here, right? So we can see that since we have a diameter, and a diameter subtends at the right angle, meaning that it forms 90 degrees. So both B1, we can see that both B1 and C1, they form 90 degrees. So in other words, you have to say angle B1 is equals to 90 degrees and angle C1 is equals to 90 degrees. What's the reason? Both of them are angle. Both of them are angle in a semi-angle. Sorry for that. Angle in a semi-circle. Similarly, C1, it's an angle in a semicircle. Remember, guys, when an angle in a semicircle, it forms 90 degrees because it forms a right triangle. So under our center theorems, you can go and check on our playlist. We did have a video where we explained that. So it is very essential that we know that there is a theorem that says whenever there's a diameter, it subtends at a right angle, meaning that it forms 90 degrees. So we'll have 90 degrees here at angle C1 as well as angle B1. So both of these are 90 degrees. Are we done? Are we done? No, we are not done. There's something again, guys. There is something. So that's something we will learn about it as well in our next theorem, which is angles in the same segment. Remember, now we were working on exterior angle of a cyclic quad. So I want you to see this. Angle B1, since both of them are equal to 90 degrees, they are equal. They are equal. So we could just say angle B1 is equals to angle C1. So what will be the reason? The reason, yes, we know that they're both 90 degrees. We did prove that. But there's something there. The reason will be is because of AD. It is because of AD subtends equal angles. It's because of AD subtends equal angles. AD subtends. Do you know what is to subtend? To create. Subtends equal angles, right? AD subtends equal angles. Are we done yet? No, we are not done. Since we know that angle B1 and C1 are equal, then we need to work out with that 10 degree now. Can you see that angle B2 and can you see that angle B2 and angle A, these are angles on the same segment? Angle B2, then let's write it very well here. Angle B2, we could say it's equals to angle CAD, which is equals to 10 degrees. They are angles on the same segment. Well, guys, you might be mystified on why we say the angles on the same segment. Remember, angles on the same segment. We did, when you look at our introduction video, I did show you what is a segment. We did show you the major segment and the minor segment. So both angle B2 and angle A, these are angles on the same, they are on the same segment. In other words, they are both equal. It means that angle B2 as well is equals to 10 degrees. So when you write your reason, you are going to write angles in the same segment. Yes, angles in the same segment. Okay, I hope, guys, we are winning. Hope, guys, we are winning. That's very essential. We said that it's also 10 degrees as well here. The big question, are we done? Now we are not done. What is left? There is a missing value for y. Guys, that's where we're getting. Can't you see that angle y is equals to the interior opposite angle, which is this. This angle is equals to the interior opposite angle. Angle y is equals to the interior opposite angle. Remember, we are focusing on the exterior angle of a cyclic quad. So in this case, it means that y will be equal to angle B1 plus angle B2, where we know that angle B1, we said it's 90, and angle B2, we said it's 10. So in other words, you are going to, so well guys, from here, remember we are looking for the value of y. So I'm going to say 90 plus 10, what is that? That's going to be 100 degrees. Remember, the reason here is what? Exterior angle of a cyclic quad. Yes, I hope guys you did. This is a ride. Right, it combines different theorems, but it's great guys. It's great that we can see what is happening here, right? It's great that we can see what is happening here. We were looking at exterior angle of a cyclic quad activity. So see you in the next video, where we are going to look at another theorem, last theorem on cyclic quad, which is angles in the same segment. If you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Do the right thing. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. And remember, we love you.